Hello? Hi. Anybody there? Hi. Hi. Hey, how you doing? Hi. I got a Mexican dog, he's south of the border. He likes to eat tacos and drink mucho tequila. He poops salsa and breathes swine flu. He got a spiffy mustache too. He's a humpaholic, don't get in his way. He latches onto your arm or possibly your leg. He won't let go unless you scream, Chico, let go. Oh wait, no, Chico! Why? Why'd you do that, Chico? Whew. That's nasty, boy. You shizzed on me. So gross. Get that off of me. And go back to where you came from. He got spot everywhere. He poo everywhere. He chews my underwear. He's Chico. He whines all the time. He like tequila and lime. He commit heinous crime. He Chico, Chico. Chico. Not again. I'm serious, Chico. Like, how much do you have in you? Like, seriously, what do they give you there in like that Mexican water that makes you want to like go bang 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 all the time? Like, bang. Just lay off and go back to Mexico and sit on it. Seriously. He got spot everywhere, he poo everywhere, he chews my underwear. He's Chico, he whines all the time. He like to kill and lime, he commit heinous crime. He Chico, Chico.